Good day, good day. It's your boy Betty at your man Markel Primes, MrRVADelivered.com, and I'm not going to give you guys the whole intro right now because I got something very important to show you. I'm going to switch on over to my desktop view so you can see exactly what I'm talking about because there's something very important going on tomorrow. There's a major event that's being held by my mentor, Wayne. He's doing a presentation that you guys need to be a part of, but I want to show you guys something in advance of that presentation. Let's go. Okay, family, we're back. Now we're on my desktop, and if you're not familiar with what you're looking at, this right here is Microsoft Ads. Now, if you don't have an ads account, I definitely advise you to get an ads account. It's absolutely free to set up one. So if you're serious about being an affiliate marketer full time, you're going to need to learn how to do online marketing and advertising. But that's a story for another time. Now, more importantly, what I want you guys to see and pay attention to is a couple of different columns here. So in the first column, you can see how much I actually spent. Now, this is an ad spend that I did, and this is just over the last week. So my advertisement has been going on longer than this week, but I just wanted you guys to see the stats from this particular week, from the 21st of July, 2023 to the 27th of July, 2023. And it is the 28th of July, 2023 today. So these are real recent stats, and they're pretty consistent. Now, from the beginning, you can see that I spent $123.46 this week. Now, that got me 1,192 clicks. It also got me 460 conversions. Now, conversions is something that I'm tracking as far as getting leads. So when it comes to leads in your affiliate marketing business, it's one of the most important things that you can have. Now, in my situation, I categorize a lead as a person that's going to subscribe or who has subscribed to my email list. So if we keep that in mind, then I have 460 subscribers on my email list within this last week. Now, that right there equals a CTR, or what they call a click-through rate, of 6.51%. Now, I don't consider myself any type of expert in online ads or anything like that, but from talking to various people, these stats right here are not really typical. These are above average in a lot of cases. Now, some people may get a lot better stats than this, but typically this is something that's kind of above average. Now, I wanted to show you guys this just in anticipation for tomorrow's training, because on tomorrow's training, my mentor, Wayne, he's actually doing a live training teaching us how you can actually get $30,000 worth of traffic for free. Now, when we talk about traffic, that means visitors to your page. Now, I want you guys to kind of look at this. In this section right here, I'm going to change this to CTR because there's a couple of different categories that you can kind of keep track of. I want to change this to impressions. So, impressions. There were 18,323 impressions, which means eyes or viewers that had the potential to see my advertisement and had the potential or the opportunity to actually click on it. So that's where the 6.51% came in. So it's going off of the impressions. So the impressions as compared to clicks. So the 1,192 clicks as compared to the 18,323 impressions, that's a 6.51% conversion rate. Now, just imagine if I had $30,000 worth of free traffic in this situation. I'm not going to do the math, but that would be amazing. That would be amazing. And just to think about the average statistics of what's considered the life cycle or the lifespan of one single email subscriber on your email list. The stats show that it could be anywhere from $25 to $60 range for the lifetime of that one person being on your email list. So keep that in mind. 460 conversions with the possible average of $25 to $60 being the value of each one of those conversions. Now, think about the training for tomorrow. Think about if you could have $30,000 worth of free traffic in this same type of situation. What type of income could that possibly generate for you? I want you guys to do the math yourself because the numbers, of course, is completely crazy, insane, but it's possible and it's realistic because it's math. And math, or should I say in math, 1 plus 1 will always equal 2. 2 plus 2 will always equal 4. And if you do multiplications, they're always going to be the same, and so on and so forth. So there's no manipulations. It is what it is. So with that, I'm going to end this video. I just wanted you guys to see some of my personal statistics. So I want you guys to keep this in mind when you think about who you're actually listening to when you're online looking for someone to actually show you how to make money with affiliate marketing. First thing you need to look at is, can this person actually do the things that they're telling me that I should do? Now, all you have to do is just look at the proof. Look on my social media accounts, scroll through. I may not get the most responses or the most engagement like your average gurus or whatever, but the things that you see are the things that I actually produced and created myself using my skill and my talent and what I actually want to teach to my community of entrepreneurs so that you're self-sufficient and that you're able to build your business and build a business that's based off of skills and that's built to stand the test of time, or as I say, built for longevity. So with that, I believe you have everything that you need to make a informed and logical decision as to how to move forward with your affiliate marketing career. Now, if you would like my assistance in going forward with your new journey, you know what to do. Click the link in the description of this video or send me a private DM so that we can actually talk like real people, like humans, like, how real people used to do back in the day before everybody got caught up in the online world and got scared to talk to each other. But we can take it back to, how things were in the past. And that's basically the way things still work in the future. The skills that we had in the past still work today, and not even just work, they're the best at getting the goals that we have in mind accomplished. So with that, have a great rest of your day.